we are really fine because we are going on holiday. Look, I have also my sunglasses and also my bag ready with me, and we are ready. But shh, it's a secret. No one should know this. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. It's my school bag. This is my school bag. This is Eddie. Do you remember? Eddie, say hello to the children. Hello. Hello, kids. Hello. Hello. See you soon. See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, today I will be alone. Okay, this is my bag, my school bag. You have yours at home. Look, what's in my school bag? Do you remember what is it? It's a pencil case. 1 and 2. 2 pencil cases. One is big and the other is small. Okay? And I also have, let me see, a book. Yes, your book. This is a book. Repeat, book. Okay. Then I have what is it? Look. Oh, a crocodile. A big crocodile. Dangerous one. No, it's not dangerous. It's a girl. Bye-bye. What color is it? It's pink. Yes, of course. Yellow, light green, orange, and blue. Bye-bye. Okay, I was joking. Okay, and here I have a copybook or a notebook or exercise book. Here you can write. Look, Eddie. You can glue your worksheet. Okay, but let's check what I have in my pencil cases. In the little one, I have a felt tip or a felt pen. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Look, a lot. This is big and this is small. Red and orange. Yes. Then I have a pair of scissors. With these you can cut. And then I have a sharpener. Okay, with this you can sharpen your pencil. Yes. Okay. I also have a pencil. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a lot of pencils. Okay. And let's check what I have in this one. Open. A smile for you with white teeth. Here I have a rubber. Yes. Rubber. Rubber. And another one. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 rubbers. And this is new. And this is old. This is big. And this is small. Okay. Then I have, of course, a red pen because I am a teacher. Okay, red pen, green pen, blue pen, black pen. I have 4 pens. Okay. And then I have, do you know what is it? It's a ruler. Yes. If you look here, you have also numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13. Okay, for today it's all. I will give you a big hug and also a kiss. And remember, stay at home. See you soon.